Okay, I'm going to be putting guides in the Chevy 462 double hump heads. Anyways, I've already core drilled the guide. We're putting new guides in, and then I've reamed it and going to the next one. Float it to center it, automatic centers. That's the drill part. Then we'll use a reamer to take it the final size. Now I do have combinations, this one and this one. It drills it and reams it at the same time, but it's quicker. But I found out the two-step process with the reamer just makes a nicer sized hole, and the guides seem to go in better when you're pressing them in. So I like using the two-step process. And that's it. Just do the same thing to the rest of them.